Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So today in this video I am going to cover a very important topic, that is music theory. And this topic is going to be very important, especially for beginners. So there is one very important question. If I ask you, so in our D string, or even in our D, like D string or A string, or C, E string or B string, if I ask you in E string where is G? If I ask you in our B string where is D? Where is D? And if I ask you in our say A string, where is C or C sharp? So are you able to answer, or will you be able to answer this question? And I hope this is going to be a very important lesson, especially for beginners. So if you are a beginner and you have just started to learn guitar by watching a few videos or something, even oh man, these dogs are barking. Just give me 1 second. So yeah, will you be able to answer this question? If no, so truly this is an important topic for all beginners, and you should understand this too, because it's not like you have got some tabs and you have started playing it and that's done. Even if you, when you'll join your classes, so I know your mentor is not going to provide you with these kind of lessons. So that person will be giving you some basics, like tab lessons, so that you can start moving your finger on fretboard and doing a lot of exercises. Like there will be multiple mentors will be having multiple reasons. Maybe they want you to get their classes a bit for a longer period, or there are mentors who are too much genuine and they want you to work on your fretboard. So we can't understand what kind of mentor you are having, okay? But still you should know at least some basics of it, okay? So there are some steps to find the tabs. It's like, firstly you should know these basic theory of music, or how to find various tabs. It's not like tabs, it's like you should know in each and every string you should know which kind of note. If I talk about in our B string, you should know where is C. In our B string, you should know where is G. Okay, so if you know this, then you can find, and there is a step. Once you will get to know this, then you should understand in each and every song you should understand the major scale. And after that major scale, there are two ways. Either you can understanding by the say voicing part of it, or either you are using the formula, that is WWH WWWH. Okay, and then you are applying it. So it's a long process. I'll make you learn each and everything step by step. But in the very beginning, it's truly important to learn this thing that I'm going to teach you today. Okay, so let's start with it, because it's truly important to understand each and everything. Okay, let's say this is a re string. Okay, when we are playing anything open. This is a re string, we are playing it open. This is our B string, we are playing it open. This is our G string, this is our D string, this is our A string, this is our E string. Okay, now when you are playing it open, this is your E string. Now if you want to find these 12 notes in any of these strings, make sure to focus from your fret first to your fret 12. Okay, it's just a matter of these 12 frets. First, your first open note will be the one that you are going to get on your 12th fret. Okay, this fret, this. So this and this and this, these will be same. Okay, so one. This is your E string, so this is E. Okay, E, F sharp, G sharp. Okay, E, F sharp, G sharp, done. Now here, after G sharp, it's not H sharp, we need to come back to A. Okay, now A sharp, B, C. Make sure that there is no B sharp, there is no E sharp. Okay, C sharp, okay, D sharp, again E. We started with E, we have ended at E. Okay, this is our E string. Let me repeat it once again. if we play it at open, so this is our E string, we need to cover our 12 all these 12 frets. Okay, so whatever note we are going to play open, it will always be the same as we are playing it our 12th fret. Okay, E, F, because there is no E sharp, there is no B sharp. Okay, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp. Okay, G sharp. Now A sharp, B, C sharp. Okay, D, okay, D sharp, C sharp, D. Wait, I think I have made some mistake. Okay, let's do it once again. E, F, F sharp, G sharp. Okay, A sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp, E. Finally we have came to E. Let's do the same with other string. This is our B string. Now for B we need to do it like B, then C, because there is no B sharp, there is no C sharp. Okay, B. We started with B when we hit for like in open, so it's B, C sharp, D sharp. Okay, E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B. Okay, now let's come to next string. This is our third string, that is G. Okay, for G let's do it. Okay, G sharp. Okay, G sharp, A sharp, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp. Again I have made some mistake, man. Okay, G sharp, A sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G. I missed F sharp. Okay, now it's done. Next is our D string. Okay, make sure you have picked your guitar and you are also practicing the same. Next is our D string. Let's do it with D string. D sharp. When you are playing it for open, so it's like D hitting first fret, it's your D sharp. Okay, D sharp. Okay, D sharp. Do one thing, firstly write the notes. It's like A sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp. Okay, these are all 12 notes. So if it is a E string, so you need to start from E, that is E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp, E. Whatever string you are going to take or you are going to start with, you need to end it at the same string. Okay, so we covered till D string. Let's come back to our A string. Okay, A sharp, A sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F. Okay, F, G sharp. Okay, I think I have made some mistake. Okay, again A sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp, F sharp, G sharp. Okay, A, man, what is going on? A sharp, B, C, D sharp. Okay, A sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G. Okay, G sharp, and finally A. Okay, I missed one note. Maybe F sharp I missed. Okay, let's do it once again for A sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, and A. That's coming back to our E string. So it's our E string. Now E, 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 okay, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, done. Now A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, and E string was it, okay. So these are all 6 strings that in which if I am asking you in D string where is G, so you should be able to tell me where in D string where is E, or where is G, where is D, or where is, like everything you should know. And even you should know that in E string if you are playing it for open, so it's E. In D string if you are playing it for open, so it's D, okay. So yeah, that's it for the day. Just keep practicing it. And yeah, just if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. And if you want me to come with any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. So I will keep on covering more videos on the same topic. So I know that I need to cover Kahani Suno Tum Hi Ho, and there are a lot of songs that I need to cover, and I will be covering. I like these songs are in loop, so I will make videos on it and will be covering all those songs, and will also cover this part of music theory as a series part of videos. And just yeah, keep on watching the videos and make sure that you are practicing it, right? So yeah, just stay tuned. Bye bye, take care.